Hi, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So, Christmas time is upon us, and Target has a lot of work to do. First of all, this Christmas is going to be rough for all retail businesses. Let me tell you, because it's just no way with these tariffs, what's going to happen is going to be positive. First of all, the tariffs are going to hurt businesses. The shutdown is going to hurt businesses. So Target would want to restore its relationship with the community, right? Now, this has nothing to do with politics because I don't even get into that on this channel, but they need to do something. Looking at their financials, they have continually been down for the last 3 months, about 18% of their share. Let me say they have a lot of work and repair to do. So one of the things that they can do, the first thing they need to do is come up with some kind of resolution with the pastor. Now, I don't remember the pastor's name. Jamal Bryant, that's his name. They need to come up and work some kind of deal, some kind of arrangements with the pastors. They need to look at actually having, I love that little, what started out as a dollar owl when you walk into Target is great. I hit that all the time for gifts and if I'm doing something special, a party or some kind of networking event. The second thing they need to do is they need to expand that. And now it started off as a dollar, now it's $10. Don't have to ask me how it became $10 from a dollar. But they need to come up with different ways to really leverage that. Now they're doing something with Champion. It's not as exciting, right? We love Target when they do the special incentives and activities around either Gay Pride Month or Latino Month, Hispanic Heritage Month, Black History Month. Like we love that kind of stuff because it really showed, past tense, that you were really considerate of other people. I never saw them do anything for Women's Month though. That would have been cool, right? But they need to do something. They need to do some in-store activations. They need to figure out how to bring in or restore their relationship. But it's going to be very cold and chilly winter and Christmas holiday season for Target. So I'm just saying they need to work on something. If you all have any ideas for Target, please share them. What I would immediately start to do if I was Target, firing the CEO is not going to help if you don't change your perspective on how you approach like the Black community, especially because they give so much to Target. They love Target. And what you don't want them to do is double down. So I speak on all topics, all brands. You all know that. But this year, they need to get it together. And they only have 60 days to do so. So they better get cracking. Sorry.